Hi, I'm Barb Crum, Director of Marketing and Public Relations for Ocean Lakes Family Campground. And today on Campground Conversations, we are going to talk about pet pollution. So pet pollution was something that I learned about when we started our eye care program, which was created in 2009. And basically, we felt like recycling was very important. And so we started committing ourselves to recycling. The eye care program grew into so much more. And you can actually learn a lot about it in our publications, such as the Ocean Lakes magazine. One of the things that we learned about as we took on this eye care program is pet pollution. A few years ago, Horry County came to us and asked us to help. And we became dedicated not only to several different eye care tactics, which is the recycling, the fishing line, the cigarette butts, composting, all that stuff, but it was pet pollution. So what you need to know, as we learned about eye care and pet pollution, really what we're talking about is pet waste. It's not just dogs. Every animal contributes to this. It contaminates water. The water drains from inland, so it goes from the inland several miles out towards the ocean. If you walk the beach, you'll see the outfall pipes. These pipes are where the water drains and it goes into the ocean. That bacteria contributes to the bacteria levels in the water in rivers, streams, lakes, and of course, because of Horry County and the Grand Strand, the water will drain inland towards the ocean. So it can impact the bacteria levels on the beach. One of the biggest things that we find in camping is that people love their pets. They bring their pets with them. When you have a pet, you need to clean up after that pet because it does contribute to our stormwater bacteria levels. It's not just about being polite or being a good pet parent, which I think most of us want to do. And it's really about being respectful to the other guests in the campground. So we made the commitment to create, part of our eye care program was Doggie Doo stations. Okay, so here we are out on location at one of our 29 Doggie Doo locations. And basically this is what you're looking for if you have a pet. At each station are the Doggie Doo Bags. These are free to our guests. We supply more than 250,000 Doggie Doo Bags a year. As of May 1st, I spoke to our warehouse, we had purchased 108,000 Doggie Doo Bags that we have used since May 1st. Each bag costs us about 3 cents. Ocean Lakes Family Campground commits more than $7,000 just to providing guests Doggie Doo Bags. We were having such a hard time with people not cleaning up after their pets. So we decided that asking wasn't getting the attention. A $100 fine, sadly, seems to get people's attention. So we implemented that fine. We have more than 580 teammates right now in the summertime working. We watch our guests. If it's a chronic issue, we will ticket the guest and fine them $100. And then we donate that money to our favorite pet charity. We know that it's important and we want to do our part to keep the pet pollution down. So we just ask our guests do their part. So this has been Barb Crum. Thanks for joining me today in our campground conversation about pet pollution.